If you're struggling to start a profitable e-commerce business in 2025, I've got you covered on this one, because in this video, I'm going to break down 5 different e-commerce models you can pick from today so that you can start selling online to make money. If you're with me, let's get right into it. But before then, if you're new to my channel, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer, and I help professional business owners to build professional e-commerce websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If these are things you like, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get right into it. So the first on the list I will mention today is dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable e-commerce models you can start in 2025. And what does it mean? It simply means you selling a product that is not yours, selling someone else's product. Let's say you have a supplier who buys in large quantity. The person sells a lot of products, let's say shoes. You meet this person and say, look, I need a dropshipping price. I want to resell your products. Give me a dropshipping price. The person gives you a price lesser than what he or she sells. You add your own profit. Request product images from this person. Request product videos and product details. And you begin to market online. As soon as you get a customer, you send these product details to, or the order details to this person to help you deliver to your customer. You have already made a profit, and then you do not own the inventory of that product, and you are not the one delivering the item. So you simply make your profit and remit the suppliers on to him or her. That is dropshipping. The second one on the list is called print on demand. This is where you sell customized t-shirts, mugs, and bags. These are done online, and you can easily do this by leveraging AI tools and some online tools like Canva. You can use Canva, you can use Placeit to create designs. What you do is just to get slogans. As soon as you get these slogans, to use these tools to place it on a t-shirt and sell it on websites like Amazon Merch, Teesprings, next one, Redbubble. So these are platforms where you can sell these products, and this is one of the most profitable e-commerce models because you don't own inventory and you don't need a capital to start it. Number 3 on the list is affiliate marketing. What you simply do is to get a product that solves a problem, sign up for their affiliate program. Let's say if you are selling a product, if that product is sold for $100 and the commission you earn as an affiliate is 50%, it simply means you are earning $50 for each sales you make. Imagine where you make 1,000 sales, 100 sales, and all of that. Just calculate how much you must have made, and you don't own the product, you don't send out the products, like you don't own inventory, and you do not even need a capital to start. You simply register online, grab your affiliate link, start marketing. As soon as you get somebody that wants to buy, send them an affiliate link, they buy, you make money. That's number 3. So number 4 is what I call mini importation. A mini importation is simply the buying and selling of items online, where you import these items from China, Turkey, Dubai, and wherever you want to import them from. You can import from them physically, you can import online. Okay, you can use platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, 1688 to source out products that are solving problems. You import them in large quantity and you begin to sell them in your own country. You could be in Ghana, you could be in Nigeria, wherever you are, you import and sell. This one requires a capital. Then you fix your own profit and you begin to sell. The final one, which is the 5th one, is digital products creation and sales. This is where you simply create information products. You can create a course, you can create an ebook, you can create a video, you can create planners, you can create checklists, and you sell them online. You can sell them on Amazon KDP, you can sell them on your social media handles. These are different e-commerce models you can leverage on to make money online, and some of them do not require capital. You simply leverage on AI tools, you can leverage on online tools to make money. If you are interested in learning any of these e-commerce models in details, you can type in the comment section and say, Faith, teach me affiliate marketing. Faith, teach me this or teach me that. I will be there to teach you. So let me know what you think, and if you're starting any of them, let me know in the comment section. If you've gotten value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. All right, share this video and see you in my next video. See you. Bye.